हाँ बिल्कुल, सलामी देनी होगी ना उनको, दे नीड स्पेस। हेलो, by family members. And we just now saw how CM Pushkar Singh Dhami paid tribute to the martyr soldier Lance Naik Chandrasekhar, and Yashpal Arya and other political leaders are also present here. We are showing you the visuals of CM Pushkar Singh Dhami, and the salami and tribute is also being given by the army people as well, by the army jawan here, and one-on-one political leaders are paying tribute, and everyone from the locals neighborhood, and everyone is paying tribute because such a grief moment for the family, as after 38 years the mortal remains of this brave soldier found in Siachen, recovered from Siachen bunker. And here, along with CM, two daughters Kavita and Babita are standing next to CM Pushkar Singh Dhami, teary-eyed, and yes, a loss. What a family feels, only a family can understand how these two daughters, Kavita, Babita, lost their father when they were just 4 years and 8 years old. Their eyes, teary-eyed eyes they had, and though they don't remember much about their father, but yes, the feeling can clearly be understood through the visuals here. And even the commanding officer at that time in Operation Meghdoot is also here, and the veterans from Kumaon Regiment are also paying tribute through wreath. You can clearly see MOS Defence Raksha Mantri Ajay Bhatt wreath tribute has also been sent here, and CM Pushkar Singh Dhami is standing strong, standing tight with the family members, consoling them and telling them how this is a nation's loss. But yes, after 38 years, the mortal remains of this brave heart is found. There's a grieving moment, but the entire country, people from Uttarakhand, and yes, everyone stands strong with the family member, as only the loss which they have felt for 38 years, the incompleteness which the family had because they didn't have their father Kavita Babita, and the wife Shanti Devi didn't had her husband, and this 38 years do have been very difficult, but finally they will be at peace. And the conversation between CM Pushkar Singh Dhami and daughter Kavita and Babita can clearly be seen from here. And here we are showing you the visuals. These are the visuals from the last tribute, the Shraddhanjali, which is being given to martyr soldier Lance Naik Chandrasekhar. And before that, we saw the parade Samman which army gave to the martyr soldier. And here, the grip, the pride, the honor can be felt here in the surrounding, amongst the crowd, as everywhere here screaming and shouting Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Clearly that valor, that is strength, and that Desh Bhakti can be clearly felt here. And these are the visuals which we are showing you from Haldwani, Uttarakhand, from the native residence of martyr soldier Lance Naik Chandrasekhar. Though very important and very crucial, difficult.
हमें गर्व है कि हम उत्तराखंड के वासी हैं, जहाँ के वीर सैनिकों ने हमेशा से देश की रक्षा के लिए अपने प्राणों का बलिदान दिया है। और चंद्रशेखर उन्होंने आज से लगभग 1984 की जो मेघदूत ऑपरेशन के दौरान वो लापता हो गए थे, उस झड़प में आज उनका शरीर आया है। हम पूरे उत्तराखंड सरकार की तरफ से, उत्तराखंड की जनता की तरफ से उनको नमन करते हैं, और उनके पारिवारिक जनों के लिए जो भी हमसे, उनके परिवार के लिए हम उनके साथ हैं। उनकी शहादत हमेशा से हमारे लिए स्मरण में रहे, उत्तराखंड के आने वाली पीढ़ी के लिए स्मरण में रहे। उसके लिए हम हमेशा जो भी उनकी स्मृति में होगा वह काम भी आगे करेंगे।
Yes, these were the visuals which my camera person Surinder Shah was showing you. CM Pushkar Singh Dhami speaking about martyr soldier Lance Naik Chandrasekhar. And yes, my camera person Surendra Shah with me, and we are again showing the visuals from every corner of the house, every window, balcony. You can see visuals of the public clearly here, and everyone, the Kumaon Regiment veterans, political leaders, be it from Congress, be it from BJP, from everywhere, the political leaders right now are paying tribute through wreath here, through flower, wreath of flower here to martyr soldier Lance Naik Chandrasekhar. And these are the visual as Pushkar Singh Dhami CM leaves from here after paying tribute. And the Kumaon Regiment, let me tell you one thing which is very important in this entire reclaying and the honor parade which was given by army people, that this time in Ranikhet Rage, the mother unit which we say Bahadur Company, in which Lance Naik Chandrasekhar was deployed, the Bahadur Company which went in 19 Kumaon Regiment, which went that time to Siachen Glacier, that mother company is right now here in Ranikhet Rage, is right now here in Haldwani at the native residence.